Hello friends, today I'm going to be installing kind of a film, a privacy film over our bathroom window. So currently uh, there's no film there, there's just an open window. So it's weird how through the video here it looks like it's already a film there, but there isn't. I guess it's just the light focusing there. So we purchased this film from Amazon, and it just adds a layer of um, that to just let the light in, but it's just going to obscure it so people can't see through there. So this is Rabbit Igloo window film, and I got it off of Amazon. It was like, I think the cheapest one I could find. So I'll link that in the description as well. So here we go. What you're going to need, it says like a spray bottle with some water, straight edge, scissors, or perhaps a utility knife, and then some kind of a squeegee type deal. I found this in the garage. I forget what this was for, like a little putty knife, a credit card would probably work, anything like that. So it says to kind of get your film and overlap it by about an inch, and then put it up there and then cut it off. So I've already cleaned the windows, made sure those are all nice and clean, dried them off. And then what we're going to do, these are the steps. Just measure the window surface, cut the film to required size, leave about an inch margin on each side. For later adjustment, clean the window thoroughly. Okay, done. Generously spray enough water on the window surface, peel off the transparent backing, and then starting at the top, install the film on the target surface. Smooth your hands using a film. Smooth the film using your hands or towel, and then using a squeegee, remove all the water, air bubbles. And then finally, use a utility knife to trim off the excess edges and smooth it again. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go over here, and I'm just going to use this entire length here. We're going to cut off the part that we want and do both little sides here. Okay, so I'm just going to put this right up here, and I'm going to just cut off. It's got that line right there, so I'm just going to cut on that line. That's going to give me about an inch overlap on everything. So right on this guideline right there, I'm just going to cut with my scissors, and we'll have that piece free and clear. Okay, I'm just going to, it has these nice little cut lines here. So you could use a straight edge. And I'm just going to use the scissors here and just cut on the dotted line as much as possible. You have it. Okay, so really can't see through that. Although it looks, when I put it right up on there, because that's pixelated, it looks like it just looks like you can see through it, but you definitely can't at a distance. It just kind of becomes light. Okay, so now go back to the window. Okay, here we go. It just says spray the window down. And then peel that back part off. And that back part's like super thin. To try to separate it is definitely tricky. It says you can use the tape from this one to try to grab that film part. So we're going to try that. Maybe try to grab the edge of our film with this little tape thing that was on there. All right, so we have the corner here. I'm just going to try to perhaps peel edge back there. And doesn't. All right, well, this is going to be a little tricky. Maybe I can get my straight edge under there. Okay, so this, the film is super thin. So that sticky thing it gave you, put it on the corner, and then what I did was got my my blade of that knife, utility knife under there, and then I got it out. Because it's, as you can see, it's really, really, really super thin here. All right, I'm going to peel that off. And I'm just going to lay it on the counter here. It says to spray down the back of it also. So, okay, spray that down real good. Spray down my window again because it's kind of wet to dry. And then we're just going to place this up there on the window. Just like that. And so smooth out with your hand. As you see fit. There we go. It's got bubbles in there. And then we can use a utility knife and a flat edge. Okay, let's see. My flat edge is not going to work in that particular. Maybe it'd be better just to get. Well, it looks like it's on there pretty good. Is that on the other side? That's on the other side of the glass, I think. All right, let's see. This one could be tricky. My straight edge is a bit longer. I wonder if I can just. It's on there pretty good. The hard part's just going to be cutting this out, I guess. Okay, so. Put that up in the corner like that, and then just run our blade along that. Should cut it nicely. Okay, let's see. That leaves us. Okay, that looks pretty good. There. Of course, my straight edge now is too long for the other part. So I'm going to use this little guy right here. Like that. Okay. And then if I use this right here to try to cut that. All right. Okay. Looking pretty good. Not so bad, actually. Now this bottom portion, I think I like this little one better than that long straight edge. And we're just going to cut along just like that. Just kind of push it down. So I'm just pushing it down and then cutting along that towards the window. All right, so apparently it didn't cut all the way through right there, so that's all right. Just go back and slice through that. There we go. And once again, right there. All right. I guess I can kind of pull along as I go, and that would help out a little bit. Okay. All right, so we're almost there. Try to get a different angle here so you guys can see. Let's see here. That should probably be taken off there. There we go. And we're just going to go around it. This. I am not left-handed, so I'm probably right in your way here. Basically, just follow the cuts right next to the somehow they didn't cut it at the top yet, so hold that up there at the top. Man, I have the noisiest toilet seat ever, so hold that up there at the top and then kind of just cut through that. There we go. little tag there. Hold that in place and then try to slice it maybe. There we go. All right, and then just continue on. Okay, and we are almost done. Just have that little bit left. Try to get that side of it. And then the corners are probably the toughest part because you just have that little edge there. So just put it along there and then just slice along that. Okay, there's that. And then we just have this little bit right here. And we'll hold that in place. And just cut up here. Okay, I think that's good there. Now it just says to smooth out the rest of it if you have any bubbles or anything. Down. Gonna get water on it from the outside there. Push that down. And then kind of dry it off there. See how it looks compared to the other one. Okay, my friends, so that's that. Here's the regular window, and now here's this one. I don't think I'm going to do, maybe I'll just do a separate video on the other one. So I think it turned out actually really nice. There's a couple spots there, but I think those are on the other side of the window. So you can definitely see the difference. Here's the old one, you can see right through it, and here's this one, which you can still get pretty much the same amount of light. It's just different on the ability to see through. So, well guys, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.